there's a very nice explanation here of their Ban Bihar Leela. These tikas or commentaries of this book are the combination of three devotees, primarily Srila Anantadas Babaji Maharaj, who printed it, translated by Waita. But in the beginning of the book it says that especially the lilas, the lila part especially, the lila parts especially come from Prabhupada Nanda Gopal Goswami and one Madhusudan Das Adhikari. So they're all these great Rasik acharyas are mixed together here. And especially, and then obviously it's hard to see who's speaking what, but obviously the larger part of the tika is done by Srila Anantadas Babaji Maharaj. But here he describes this Ban Bihar Leela. This is the Leela to describe this line 4. Radha Vihara Vipane Ramatam Manome. So, I just read it, okay? By the mercy of Sri Vrindavan, Shripad, which is what they call Prabhupada Saraswati, he sees a transcendental picture before his inner eyes, Sporti, of Sri Sri Leela Kishore Yugal. That's a very nice name. We usually say Radha and Krishna. Or the Nimbarki say Priya Priyatam. Sri Sri Leela Kishore Yugal. Yugal means pair. Kishore means teenagers. 14 and 15. Very playful, very mixture of innocence and naughtiness. At 14 and 15, Radha and Krishna is a perfect combination of innocence and naughtiness, playfulness and sobriety. It's a beautiful mixture. It's a fantastic time. 14 years, 2 months, 15 half days. That's Radharani's age. And Krishna is 15 years, 9 months, 7 days. 15 years, 9 months, 7 days. And Siddha Krishna is told that in Sadhana Amrita Chandrika. There's one book about it. It's in Bengali. Sadhana Amrita Chandrika. He's telling these details, how he knows. No one knows, but he's telling.